Any Ginger fans out there, please don't DM me. Is it a Canadian band?
It is not.
Is it a US band?
It is not.
Are they from Bakersfield?
Have you heard of the band JINJER?
Never.
Well, we win.
Yeah. Should be notified that I have 2 crack cymbals out here. I'm a complicated man, Brandon. Am I allowed to pee during this process? My name is Brooks Wackerman, and I play for Avenged Sevenfold. Some of my former bands I've been involved with are Bad Religion, Tenacious D, Blink-182, movie scores. I've worked with Danny Elfman, Avril Lavigne, Infectious Grooves, Suicidal Tendencies. Just go to my Wikipedia page. Everything is very truthful.
We've been filming all day here at Drumeo.
Yes.
We got more filming to do, but for any of you watching, we filmed a really cool breakdown where Brooks breaks down a ton of Avenged Sevenfold drum parts. Some old stuff, some new stuff, and you can actually practice along with Brooks. So if you want to check that video out, the link is down in the description. You can check it out for free. But we're also going to have some fun here on the YouTube channel, and we have your mystery song episode, which I've been looking forward to for months. Have you seen any other episodes in the series?
Seeing Dirk play the Killers, adding double kicks to Mr. Brightside. Just the fact that he's never heard that song is incredible.
This takes me back to when we filmed this episode with your brother, Chad. We gave him some Mars Volta,
Right.
which is pretty awesome.
Chad's a master sight reader. Just the fact that he can digest a song like that, write it out. He went to the, Frank Zappa University, so.
That's not fair.
The rules of the game are simple. We're gonna give you a drumless version of a song. You can come up with any drum part you want. At the very end, once you have a final take, we'll tell you who the band is, who the drummer is, what the song is. All right, so we've been stewing on this for weeks, and I think we found the song. So we're gonna play it for you, and hopefully you don't know it.
Paint It Black by the Stones.
I'm just screwing with you. Our actual first choice coming up right now.
Okay.
Suffering with me. Scale on police. Virgin innocence. Shivering inside, drowned in the liquid gold. Criminals are ripped away.
So
Cool. Yeah.
do you know it?
No, I've never heard
Perfect.
that song in my life.
Amazing.
Yeah, there's some cool changes.
I thought this one would be a good choice for you.
Yeah.
We've never featured this band in any way on the channel so far.
Okay.
So what
Let's
did you
do it.
notice about the song after the first pass?
I noticed that it's in 6 for most of it, and then it goes into like a double time 6 at the end. I think the verse has some odd time within the 6/8 going on that I need to just tackle it by the hardest sections and just looping that until I can find a part that works for me. Take it from the top.
Here it is.
Step forward and meeting the sun.
There's some changes. There's some changes.
Could have gave you that.
I kind of get the verse with the space in it. So I think I got the turnaround, I think. This is how my process goes. I have to hear it, especially when it gets into the prog rock a bunch of times until I'm comfortable.
When you're with Avenged in the studio, like working on new songs, is this like part of the process where you'll listen to a demo just at home in a room and like internalize it, or are you more jamming in real time with the guys?
It's both. Like songs will be created with a jam, but more times than not, Brian will have a riff, Matt will have an idea. Sometimes, I'll have a groove idea, and then we'll build from there. But it's a lot of just cycling the parts over and over again, trying every option, every possibility, every feel. Am I allowed to pee during this process?
Well, that's going to cost you, but
Or
no, of course you can.
do you guys give me a diaper? So now take it from those last 3 hits going into the chorus.
Walk me through where you're currently at.
I was just cycling the choruses, memorizing where the hits are with the guitar, just making sure that I get the transitions smoothly.
I'm starting to hear like you're setting up a lot of the different chord changes and hits and stuff within the band.
Yep, I think it's getting there.
How are you feeling with all the parts? Like, do you feel like you've pretty much got an outline for most of the sections now?
Yeah, that chorus is still bothering me. I guess I'm struggling with what to accent versus what the groove is there. So how prog do I get versus how much groove is there? So I'm gonna focus on the chorus right now.
But I'm skittish.
Going like full bell on that second chorus sounded pretty awesome.
Cool.
How you feeling?
I'm still dissecting, but I think it's kind of coming together. Yeah.
Made it through the whole tune.
Kind of. Yeah. Eric should be notified that I have 2 crack cymbals out here.
2 cracks?
Yep. 2 crashes.
I think that's a first in this
Oh,
format.
yeah.
So you just did your first full take.
Not really.
I mean, you made it through.
Kind of. You know, I gotta figure out that guitar intro. Let me do some long division right now.
There's a lot of mathematical equations happening on this channel, you know?
This isn't a song. This is a mathematic equation.
Inside today, I'll be a friend of love. Make me flash and run away to.
You got some sneaky little bass drum stuff in that quiet interlude.
I'm a complicated man, Brandon. If I was at home, I would be going through 50 options.
Yeah, for sure.
To be honest. But I'm not going to put Drumeo or Hollywood, California through that tonight because, well, I like to get to bed eventually.
We don't want to break any more cymbals, you know?
Right? We could try a pass. It's not going to be good, but we could try a pass.
We believe in you, Brooks.
Okay, thank you.
You're the man.
Step forward and meet a new sunrise. A coward is shivering inside today.
There it is.
Now I'm dying to hear the original.
One question we get all the time is, how do I make my drums sound like the ones in these Drumeo videos? Well, if you're a fan of Brooks Wackerman, you're in luck because he actually has a full sample library with MixWave where you can dial up the drum sounds you hear on those Avenged Sevenfold records and you can make your drums sound just like that. Just head to the link down in the description and you can find all the details there.
Is it a Canadian band?
It is not.
Is it a US band?
It is not.
Are they from Bakersfield?
Have you heard of the band JINJER?
Never.
Well, we win.
Yeah.
This song is called Pisces, and the drummer's name, I'm gonna butcher the pronunciation, but Dmitry Kim played drums on this.
Okay.
They're from Ukraine. I thought this would be a cool one for you because there is some odd time. There's a lot of space. There's a lot of parts that could be more like calculated per se.
First time I heard it, I was trying to wrap my head around, okay, how do I approach this? Like, because I could hear all the kind of jazz influence. I'm kind of dying to hear what he played. Dmitry.
Nice.
I almost went there.
Yeah. One of the versions, I think you played that.
I did. Oh. It's cool. What a cool band. Refreshing to hear musicians take the time to write parts like that, you know? They put a lot of heart and soul into that. So yeah, I'm impressed. Any JINJER fans out there, please don't DM me. Like every drummer that comes in here, this is the segment that everyone doesn't want to do. It's a rat song, but
We love you, Brooks. Yeah.
like, that was not fun, what I just did. I'll just straight out say that was not fun. But that was fun. I mean, it was better than Paint It Black. I would have knocked that out of the park.
Yeah.
So, because I was trying to memorize those riffs, but it just felt like too choppy. But after hearing that drummer play, he was doing those figures, but then also adding groove in between. So he found the sweet spots.
And I mean, I think that goes to show the power that we have as drummers. We can impact the entire feel of a song just by what we play on the kit.
Yeah. I tell every non-drummer that I meet, learn the basics and the foundations of drumming and rhythm, because that's only gonna help you help your time, whether you're a singer or a pianist, just learning rhythm, learning, you know, how to lay back, learn how to push ahead, and that's all drumming, you know? There's my sales pitch, French hornets.
Brooks, thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you guys, it was a pleasure.
You survived along with the roster of drummers who have made it through.
Thanks guys, I really appreciate it.
Crushed it.